my Fumi Nation. How are you, my darlings? Ula, say hi.
Hi.
I am so excited because we are going to do a lash tutorial. I'm going to show you how you kind of make your own homemade magnetic lashes. These lashes will not move. You can cry for joy. You can cry because of a heartbreak. You can have wind in your face. You can be like me. I have watery eyes. You can have the shebang, honey. And these lashes will not move. Fumi, tell us more. We're excited. Well, first and foremost, do we love the beat? Do we love the kind of like glamorous glam, day glam that can go into night and you're all glowy and fabulous? Okay, I tell you a little trick of loops is my brushes are here. When you're applying your highlighter, I live for this. I live for highlighter. You need two brushes. Why for me? Why for me? Because I'm going to tell you. So you take your highlighter. I'm using Juvia's. I live for this. It is, my darlings, the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. Okay, so what you do, you take a big brush, yes, and you just go over on the tops of your cheeks. You want it right there. Just move it around and let it be really smooth and soft so that you don't see the beginning or the end. Yeah, then you take your smaller brush, you dip into it, or you can even dip into a different highlighter for the effect, and you go right there and you just let it give you that extra fire. Do we love? I live, hence nice and glowy. Alrighty, so that is just a little tip. On to the main tip. I've realized that things change. That's what I love about makeup. New techniques come in, and as an artist, you try different things. And this, my darling, is foolproof. Foolproof. Also, guess what? Juvia's Place has come out with lashes, finally they've come out with lashes. Let me just try and pack as many as I can in my hands. They are so fabulous. I live for them. Just look. And then we got some more lashes here. Just look. As a matter of fact, let me tell you, they are color coded. Juvia's Place, fantastic. When you see the orange bar right there, that means that these are lashes that you can wear day and night. What? Day and night glamour loops. Then we have here, let me just pick this up, gorgeous. We've got what? We've got night glam, and they've got different names. Look. And then we have the ultimate day glam. Gorgeous. So when you have the day glam, you can see what the lashes look like. I'm going to bring them in front for you. This is what it looks like. Gorgeous, light, wispy lashes. That's what I like about these ones from Juvia's Place. The band is gorgeous. The band is not heavy. It's not overwhelming, and you can work with this. Did I hear the bell? That sounds like maybe I got PR. So maybe I'll have to stop and get right back to you guys. There you have it. Hold on. And this one, my darling, is Egypt Light, which I've already used. Look at how fabulous those are. Okay. Then we got this one as well. Voila. Look at how beautiful, wispy, so natural. So natural. They did really good with this ones. Then we have Royalty. So these, my darlings, are your natural day glam. Gorgeous. For your night glam, you have what? Egypt XL. Voila. Do we live, my darlings? Do we live? Then we have Cleopatra. As you can see, living for this lashes. Let me just try and bring it up this way so that you guys can see. Yummy. And then this, my darlings, is Nefertiti. Nefertiti is one of my favorites. Yeah. Okay, and then look at this, and you can also stack them. Love it, love the packaging. And then let me show you the last set, which is the day and the glam. Okay, then just look. Isn't this fun? So that it's really heavy on the outside, very wispy on the inside. I live for that. Then we go into another one, and I think this is called Bella. Just look. Juvias, congratulations, you did that. You see this one as well. This is Egypt. Yeah. I live, I love. Look at the design, look at the pattern. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Let me show you this as well. Wispy, really wispy. Just look at the edges. And the last but not the least, beautiful. So my darlings, guess what? We are going to try on a pair of Juvia's lashes. Yes. Do you want to see my hair? It's in a bun. It's a bit of a mess. I've been all over the place today. But yes, my hair is in a bun. And the necklace that I'm wearing, it's a very deep necklace. It goes down and around your boobs. I kind of love it. I think it's kind of sexy. I went to Ola today. I said, hi, Ola. He said, for me, I don't have any money. Dude. Okay. So Juvia's Place has come out with a clear glue, which means that when you put it on, it dries down clear. I tried it the other day and I went swimming and these lashes were intact. You know what you do? Well, let us choose a pair of lashes. I'm thinking that I should wear the Zaria lash. What do you guys think? Or let me just see, because all of them are so beautiful. This one too is nice. Oh God, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to try the Day and Night Glam Lash, and this one is called Biba. What do we think, my darlings? Yeah? All right. So this is what you're going to do. You take the lash off, yeah? And there you have it. Wiggle the lash. It's extremely important. I do this with all of my lashes. It just makes it flexible so that when it is on your eyelid, it doesn't feel weighed down. Also, what I love about these lashes, the band is super thin. Now, what you do is that you take the glue and you lace it right across the lash, rather lightly. Okay, then do you know what for me, you take your mirror and you put it and trace it along the line of your eyelid, right? Now, do you see what I've done? But you know what's most important? You put a little bit more glue there and you put a little bit of more glue there. Okay? Let it dry. How will you know it's dry for me? When you can't see it. So it becomes what? Like a sticky tape pad. When you have glue on each other, what happens? It becomes magnetic. It draws to each other and it holds on fast. Oh, for me, this is too much. How do I take it off? With baby oil. So you take the lash, can you see it's dried down? And you just hold it right there. Take it upwards because you want it to open up your lash. Oh my God, it is fast. And it sticks. Do you see? It's just a little something for the day. Flick it up. Let it dry up that way because you want the lash to open up your eye. Can you see that it's just got a little bit more density than this one? Isn't this fabulous? Oh, I live. 90% of the time when you're doing your lashes and you go out, they open up on the sides and on the inside because you're tearing up water, wind. That's where it begins to poke out. It's annoying. This way, it will not move. So what are we going to do? We're going to do it on the other eye. And it is stuck. It's 100% stuck. All right, so we're going to take the other one. That's it. Ba, 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 ba. Just lace it very thinly because you want it to dry. Okay? Then you take the glue I like this Juvia's glue. This Juvia's glue is fabulous. And you put it again onto the inside and just trace it onto the lid. The edges are so important. And what you do, you let it dry. Once it's dry, it's tacky. Once it disappears, that means it's dried down, but not completely. It becomes tacky. You know how when you have glue, just even when you put it on your hand, it doesn't dry down. It becomes kind of sticky, tacky. That is the full proof that this will stay on all day. Once it's dried down, take it, put it upside down like so. And it literally sticks down by itself. Oh my God. 110%. And this is how you have magnetic lashes. Look. Look. Now, what are you going to do for me? I'm going to build. So let us add some fabulosity to it. I want to use Egypt Excel. I'm thinking of Egypt Excel, or I am thinking of Aziza. Aziza is this one. Let me open them up so that we can see, because I want you to see the dramatic lash, these two. Yeah, so I'm just thinking, oh, let's go for the biggies. Let's go for the biggies. Yeah, so I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to see how I feel about it. They are so soft. They are so feathery. Oh, they are absolutely gorgeous. So what are we going to do? I'm just going to lace this right here. And while we're waiting for that to dry, look. Oh, this is so much fun. Just look. Just look. Just look. Yeah, just look. Fantastic. Fantastic. So we take this lash. Let me just make sure I have the right one. Yeah. And we put that right on top and drag it to the edge. Look at the dramatic. So beautiful. And it just gives it more glam. We take the other lash. You can always trim the edges if they are too long for you. It works for me, but if they are too long, you can always trim them on the side, okay? And then you just go ahead and you just lace the glue, okay? The trick of the glue, it can be any glue, but I am living and loving this Juvia's Place glue. This has to be one of the best glues I've come to use in the last 5-6 years. Yes, beautiful, and it sticks like crazy. I'm going to apply the second one. There you go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Again, the trick, let it dry down. Put it onto your lid as well as the lash, and you will have magnetic lashes that will last all day, every day. And you can sleep in them and they will not come off. They are absolutely gorgeous. Juvia's Place, congratulations on your lash launch. I live for them. Use my discount code FUMI. Get your lashes, get your day glam, get your day and night glam, as well as your night glam. There you have them. They're color coded like I showed you, so you'll be able to see them. They'll be on the website. Go ahead and spoil yourself. There's nothing like having a beautiful lash. It just really completes your makeup and you look fabulous. Ula! Come and see my lashes and tell me what you think. So guys, don't forget to like, to share, and what? To subscribe. You have to subscribe, okay, my darlings? Oh, PR for Fumski. Yeah, I wonder what this is. Thank you. All right, guys, all of my love. Ula, do you love?
Yeah, it's very nice. Let's go for some close-ups.
Okay. There you go. There you go. Oh, absolutely beautiful. This is the glue right here. Nubian Lash Clear. And this is the package that it comes in. There you go. This has to be one of the very best ever glues I have used in the last 5 years. It sticks, it's clear, and it's super strong. I live for it.